In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make pixel art and emoji art in Google Sheets. Start by opening a new Google Sheets file. The first thing we need to do is set up a proper canvas, because normal spreadsheet cells are rectangles and pixel art needs square pixels. To select the entire sheet at once, click the small square in the top left corner of the grid, above row 1, and to the left of column A. This highlights every cell so you can resize everything consistently. Next, right-click on any column letter such as A, and choose the option to resize columns. When you are asked for a size, enter 21 pixels. This sets the width of the columns. Now do the same for the rows. Right-click on any row number, choose the option to resize rows, and enter 21 pixels again. With both the row height and column width set to 21 pixels, your cells become clean little squares, which act like a pixel grid. Now we will set up a fast paint-by-numbers system using conditional formatting. This lets you type a number into a cell and have it automatically fill with a color, which is much quicker than manually using the paint bucket for every single pixel. Highlight the grid area you want to draw in, then go to the Format menu at the top and select Conditional Formatting. A panel opens on the side where you create rules. In the drop-down that says Format Cells If, change the condition to Text is Exactly. In the value box, type 1. Then choose a fill color of black. This means every cell that contains the number 1 will instantly turn black. To add another color, click Add Another Rule, and again set the condition to Text is Exactly. This time, type 2 in the value box and set the fill color to red. Click Done to save the rule. From here, you can start drawing. Click into any cell in your grid and type 1 to place a black pixel, or type 2 to place a red pixel. As you type, the colors appear automatically, so you can build pixel art or emoji-style designs quickly using only your keyboard. If you make a mistake, just delete the number from the cell and the color will disappear. And that covers everything you need to know.